Want a cordless drill, but don't want to spend a fortune? We found 7 awesome cordless drills under 50 bucks. Below, you'll find our best cordless drill under 50 top 7. We've also included detailed reviews for each drill which you'll find further down. Enjoy. There are many products available to choose best cordless drill, each with different characteristics, benefits and price, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and complete a list of the best cordless drill from reputable brands after much research. I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill. BLACK+DECKER is well recognized for its power tools, especially tools that you need to fix your home. The great thing about this cordless drill is that there isn't much assembly required. This product is made up of only one piece, and with the help of one lithium-ion battery, it packs a punch in electric power. It drills into surfaces at 20 volts with 1500 watts. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill costs about 40 bucks. It comes with a drill and driver, one LCS20 charger, and one double-ended bit as an alternate attachment. This cordless drill is compact and lightweight at 3.15 pounds. It has an 11-position clutch, which is the orange selector ring, and a 3/8 chuck. A single LED work light is located just above the button you press to start the drill, which is convenient if you work at night. Nobody wants to work in the dark. Number 2. AVID Power 20V Max Lithium Lawn Cordless Drill Set. AVID Power is a company that makes great products, and it has made what we consider to be the best cordless drill under 50. The torque settings of this AVID Power cordless drill are amazing, as you will have 16 different positions to choose from. Costing only about $40, this drill comes with double-end driver bits. It has a variable speed trigger that is easy to grip. You can adjust how you drill into surfaces. This drill requires just one lithium-ion battery, which is included with your purchase. The beauty of this battery is its average lifespan, which can be as much as 300 hours if you keep it consistently charged. If you want a compact and lightweight tool, you will love this drill. It weighs only 2.2 pounds, which is light enough to carry anywhere. One unique accessory that needs mentioning is the magnetic flexible shaft. You can use this shaft in areas where driver bits won't be able to reach certain spots. You can bend this shaft to go to any angle you want. Number 3. GALAX Pro 20V Cordless Drill Driver. The best cordless drill under 50 still needs to be reliable. No point having a drill that only works a couple of times. This drill is the cheapest drill on this list. The GALAX Pro 20V cordless drill costs just under $40 and is a reliable bang for your buck. For starters, this drill has the standard 3/8 keyless chuck that allows for fast and convenient installation of bits. The position torque ring on this drill is awesome, 20 different positions to choose from, having 19 different speeds in one drill mode. It has an ergonomic design with a soft rubber handle, a LED light, and a convenient belt buckle clip. One thing though, if you value drilling speed, then you may want to think about other drills. The fastest speed the drill can reach is 600 RPM, which may not fit your needs. Number 4. WAKYME 12.6V Cordless Drill Driver Kit. This is the drill that has the most torque settings available. How does 21 different settings sound? This drill costs only about $40, and it comes with an entire kit full of components. 10 driver bits, 9 socket wrenches, 1 tile drill, and 1 flexible shaft driver make up an impressive toolkit. Not all cordless drills are perfect. The WAKYME drill has potential setbacks depending on your preferences. It is one of the heavier drills on this list, weighing 4.84 pounds. It does come with 2 batteries, so you can keep working while the other battery charges. You can use this drill for 1 to 2 hours straight before needing to recharge it. Depending on how you work, this might not be an issue, and you can always change over to the other battery when it goes flat. Number 5. EnerTwist 20V Max Cordless Drill. EnerTwist stands by its products with a 100% no questions asked 30-day money back and 1-year replacement policy. This 3/8 drill has plenty of power, and is operated by a 1.5V lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for up to 18 months. It delivers just over 20 Nm of max torque, and features a 18+1 torque position clutch. It's ultra-light at 2.6 pounds, much easier to carry around than our heavier 5 pounds drills, and comes with a built-in LED light, so you can always see what you're doing. This cordless drill comes with a battery and charger, a 28-piece accessory kit, and a carrying case. It's a great price too.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.